Hey there, Brainiacs! Welcome back to Chum HEAL, where we explore fascinating topics related to the mind and body. Today, we have a very special video lined up for you. We'll be diving into the top 7 foods that can boost your brain power and help you stay sharp and focused. So, let's get started. Number 1. Blueberries. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants that help protect the brain from oxidative stress and reduce the effects of age-related conditions. Blueberries are also known to improve memory and cognitive function. So, why not add a handful of these brain-boosting berries to your morning cereal or enjoy them as a tasty snack throughout the day?
Moving on to number 2, we have fatty fish.
Fatty fish like salmon, trout, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Omega-3s play a crucial role in building brain cells and improving communication between brain cells. Studies have shown that regular consumption of fatty fish can help reduce the risk of age-related mental decline and improve your memory. So, try to incorporate fatty fish into your diet at least twice a week, to give your brain a boost. Coming in at number 3, turmeric. Turmeric is a spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, and it contains an active compound called curcumin. Curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can boost your brain power. Research suggests that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, and may help improve memory and stimulate the production of new brain cells. So, you can easily add turmeric to your dishes or consider taking curcumin supplements for an extra brain boost. Our next brain-boosting food at number 4 is broccoli.
This cruciferous vegetable is rich in antioxidants and compounds that have been shown to protect the brain from damage and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Broccoli is also packed with vitamin K, which is known to enhance cognitive function of brain. So, make sure to include broccoli in your meals, whether in stir-fries, salads, or simply as a steamed side dish.
Number 5 on our list is pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses, packed with antioxidants, magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. These nutrients are essential for brain health, as they support memory and enhance overall cognitive function. Pumpkin seeds are also a great source of stress-relieving magnesium. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of pumpkin seeds and give your brain a natural boost. Coming up at number 6 are dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, particularly the one with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. These compounds can enhance your focus and stimulate blood flow to the brain, thus improving cognitive function. Remember, moderation is key, so enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate as a treat for your brain and reap the brain-boosting benefits. Last but not least, at number 7, we have green tea. Green tea is well known for its brain-boosting ability. Green tea has a high concentration of antioxidants, caffeine and L-theanine, which has been found to help boosting your mental alertness, concentration, and overall cognitive function. Research shows that the combination of caffeine and L-theanine boost the brain function by strengthening working memory and attention, and reducing anxiety. Antioxidants in green tea, particularly a type called catechins, help to protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. So, next time you're looking for a healthy drink, have a cup of green tea and give your brain a natural boost. So, there you have it, our top 7 brain foods: blueberries, fatty fish, turmeric, pumpkin seeds, green tea, and dark chocolate. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can support brain health, boost cognitive function, and maintain mental clarity. Remember, a healthy brain starts with a healthy diet. Thanks for watching our first video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative health content. And as always, take care of your brain and nourish it with the right foods. See you next time.